Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a gradient float aura in After Effects. No plugins, it's very easy and let's get started. Okay, first create a new composition. I'll make it Full HD, frame rate 60 and 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to Layer, New Solid, and I'll call it Background. OK. Then go to Effect, Gradient, and 4 color gradient. Okay, now we have 4 colors or 4 different colors here and also 4 different points, and we can move around like this. Now we can change these colors, so I'll choose these colors. This is number 1 and paste. Okay. Something like this. Okay, now make sure that you are on the first frame and keyframe on point 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go to last frame and move this point like this. And see. Yeah. Now go to Effects and Presets and type Twirl. Double click or drag and drop and go to Angle here, change this 0 to 1 like this. Okay, yeah. Now I'll go to Radius here and change it to 10. Keyframe and go to last frame and I'll change it to 50. Okay, I don't need these spaces here, so I'll go to Effects and Presets and Motion Title. Motion, yeah. Double click or drag and drop. I'll put it up here and I'll change output width to 200 and also height to 200 and see. Yeah, very good. Okay, now I'll go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, and I'll go to Effects and Presets and I'll type Wave Warp. Double click or drag and drop. Now I'll change height to 500, also width to 400 like this, and also speed, I'll increase speed something like this. Play. Yeah, good. Okay, now I don't need these spaces also, so I'll go to Effects and Presets and I'll type Motion Title. Double click or drag and drop, also I'll put it up and I'll change width to 200. Okay, 300 also, height 300, and yeah, very good. Now I'll go to Wave Warp again and duration, I'll change it maybe Okay, maybe 40. Okay, check mirror edge. Yeah, this is very good. And this is our background. This is our tutorial today, so if you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And goodbye.